Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Mario Run app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Mario Run app, or just you click here on search, then here at Mario Run app, it's going to show for you like this, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, then you search here for Super Mario Run app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.